We've been working with Zimmer Biomet for about 4 years now as their strategic digital experience and optimization partner, and it's been a really remarkable relationship. Zimmer Biomet is a global medical device manufacturer focused on orthopedic products and services. When I first engaged with them, they were very early on in their journey. They had the Adobe suite, they had AEM and analytics, but they weren't really sure kind of what to do with it. They didn't really have folks on their team that really knew much about it. As you'll hear from our conversation, it's just been remarkable to see how quickly and how broadly they have engaged with the tool set and just what it's unlocked for them ultimately. So we've seen like a very steep kind of acceleration in the work that we've been doing on Ready Patient. Do you want to talk just a little bit about content strategy and then just kind of forward looking? What are you kind of envisioning for
totally.
Ready Patient?
I mean, Ready Patient is probably like my greatest feather in the cap, and I don't fully take credit for it because there's a team of people. I think that it's been somewhat divine to have it because in a world where, COVID provided opportunity to pivot, we had a great tool to be able to use in order to speak directly to our customers where they were at. And so obviously we leveraged Adobe to build that. I'm just so thankful for it, and it continues to grow. We just implemented personalization using Target into it. We leveraged Marketo heavily through a quiz to try to personalize the experience for the patient better.
And so now looking next year, or kind of as you look to the rest of 2021, just briefly, where are going to be the key focus areas around Ready Patient?
So I think, it's like anything, you build it and it's great, but like, how can we grow and level up? And in a world where we need to speak to customers, not just about our product, we understood the customer journey and we knew that there was this sweet spot to get engaged with them, to be able to help them and also to start the relationship with them. And I think that globally, there's a lot more restriction in terms of direct consumer marketing and getting in front of the consumer. And Ready Patient is a really great way for those global teams to get in front of them. So we're doing a lot of work around globalization of the tool, right? Not just of the content, but of the tool. And so a lot of 2021 will be dedicated to that. And I think that for us in 21, it's about leveling up from a personalization standpoint. So really engaging Target and the metric strategy into that. We're looking at how we can level up from a content perspective. We're missing some body parts essentially, and we also need to speak to a younger population. So that's something else that we're focused on. And that's enough to carry us through 21, sure.
So that was a quick overview of the work we've been doing with Zimmer Biomet now for many years. I don't think that they would have really been able to get where we've gotten, as well as to really set our vision for the future without such a robust tool set and all of the help that we've received across the board from Zimmer folks, Adobe folks, and even deeper within our own Adobe practice. Thank you so much.